Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to go ahead and discuss Inkbird's Sous Vide system ISV300W. I'll put a drop down below for the link and the price for this unit. Let's go ahead and open up the package and take a look. So this is how the package comes. It comes with this nice little neat book about the unit, a QR code if you want to learn more about it, and this is the actual unit itself. This particular unit is designed for the US, which is why it has a US plug here. All right, everyone, so here's the unit. You can see how it clicks in there. There's a min and a max line on here. You want to make sure that you are sitting in, which we are. Now we want to go up here and we want to click on that. We then want to go ahead and increase our temperature. We're going for 165 degrees. That's where we want our product to sit. We're then going to cycle through the rest of this. We don't have a timer. We're going to keep the timer off. We're just going to let it go until it's done. Today we are cooking pork, and voila, that is it. The system's going to go ahead and start right now. All right, so on your device, you want to click on the Inkbird app. You then want to go ahead and click on the device that you're looking for, and there it is right there. Notice it says already set. So we did a custom preset, but if you go through here and you click on this, you can actually see all of the different presets that you can go ahead and add to here. We're not going to do that today. We made our own. And if you like, you can even go ahead and cycle through beef, mutton, chicken, pork. And then that's pretty much that. Look, we're up to 120 degrees already, and our timer will start at 30. I'm going to go ahead and change this. I'm going to bump it up to 59 minutes and confirm. And we're just going to go ahead and start and let it start going. All right, everyone, so our water is ready to go. I went ahead and grabbed one of my other thermometers, popped it in this bag of pork, sealed it in this bag using my Inkbird sealer, and now we're going to go ahead and drop it into here. And we're going to let it go all the way in there until this tells me it reads 165 degrees. All right, everyone, so the pork's done. I'm going to pull it out, put it on this plate. You'll see how it looks. It's nice and tender right now. We're going to go ahead and let it rest for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to cut it up and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and do our review on the Inkbird ISV300W. This is a waterproof system that has robust construction of previous generations, making it ideal for long-term sous vide cooking with a 1,000-watt, 360-degree water circulation. Heating the sous vide cooker can heat food evenly and lock the moisture of the food more effectively. The IPX7 waterproof construction is designed for better long-term sous vide cooking. The 3D water circulation heating unit efficiently retains moisture in food. It has an accurate temperature of anywhere between plus or minus 0.1 C or plus or minus 0.3 F. It's a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection that connects right to your phone. It has multiple USD recommended settings. It can run up for about 100 hours. It has alarm functions for easy cooking sessions, low water protection, and 1,000-watt high heat output for faster and more stable cooking. This is a fantastic unit. I couldn't recommend it more. All right, everybody, it's time to go ahead and cut up our pork. You'll see it came out really, really well. We've got a nice lemon in there. So this was a marinade with some soy sauce, some lemon, and a little bit of hot sauce, a little bit of Cholula. So we're just going to cut her open. Pull out one of these lovely chunks. And the reason that we like cooking this way is because it gets it nice and soft and tender. And as you can see in there, it's really, really tender. Cut it up one more time. Oh yeah, look at that. Pulls right apart. This is exactly what we want. So if you want your pork to come out nice and juicy and succulent like this and have an amazing sauce to go ahead and go around with it, go ahead and try out the sous vide method. If you like this kind of video, please go ahead and hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, you come here all the time, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and have a fantastic barbecue week.